Well, December 26, 2023, getting those year-end projects done. Don't you love it when a plan comes together? I love it when it isn't even a plan and it still comes together. So I've got this gate here, and I've been struggling with this opening and closing for a couple of years now, but I've come up with this ingenious invention, and I was trying to make a wheel, and I was going to put a wheel on the thing, cut a piece out with my chainsaw, and then I just got really lazy, and I figured, well, maybe I'll just make it a slide on the piece there. I'll put some beeswax on it, and 2 pieces of wood will slide over each other. But I needed a piece of metal to go on there, and I didn't have a piece of metal. And then right there, laying literally right on the ground in front of me, was this old bar for my chainsaw. So I screwed that on there. So that's going to be my guide for the fence now. So I just have to lift this up onto here and set that over there. I got some little pieces of trailer spacer down there holding this 1x4 off of there. So now the guide pieces, and I got to put another little piece on the bottom to slide it. But yeah, it just slides right up and down there now. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Oh, might have to adjust that a little bit. Oh yeah, I had it set too low. I just got to move that screw up about 1 inch.